What is up, guys? It's your boy Flexision coming at you from Flexision, and we are back with another Sharefactory tutorial. Let's go through and check out my projects. Alright, look, I preset, oh, I'm in the wrong section here. Alright, so I went through and preset a project that I was already working on. It's kind of confusing making a Sharefactory video while you're using Sharefactory, so anyway. And you see the layout, it changed. You know, not too different, but it is a difference. You know, a huge difference. They've added a lot more stuff. It looks much better. They could do better. They always could do better, but it's much better than it was before. So we're gonna get into this and take a look at what we got. So, you know, this is all the same here. You know, we still got our split clip and our trim and moving and all that. What they did add was, if you go to edit overlays, you see how there's a little FX cam right there? That's what they added. They added camera effects. Alright, so that's what we got in store. I'll be messing with these a lot more. That's a bar. Yeah, you'll see me mess with these. We got new text, so that's cool. You know, these texts are way better than what they were before. And another thing is, if you go through and shoot out a text message, put that there, you can set the duration of the text rather than having to, you know, split your clip and then putting more text in. I mean, this saves a lot. I mean, a lot of trimming, and it saves a lot of splitting, and it just makes it a whole lot easier for you. And you know, you can put it wherever you want to, and you know, I'll get more in depth with it in another tutorial, but this is just showing you guys what we have to go through together. So not only that you can change the duration of the timing that you put your text in, but you can change the effects. It has animations, but like I said, we'll get into that in our next tutorial. So, you know, we got new text and we got new features that we can do to our text. Let me go through and delete this text. Alright, what else we got? We went through camera effects, we went through text. We got some new stickers too. I think, hold on, check. I'm using the Sharefactory theme, so. We got a comic theme, that's what we got. So I'm gonna go back real quick and show you guys that. That theme's pretty cool. This comic theme. You can download it in the PS Store, but it's, you know, it's nothing too fancy. You know, we got your intro clip. Those are for you guys who are just like Marvel fans, you know. I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, you know, I don't see myself using this at all though, because, you know, I might use it one day, but for now it's just like, you know, there's nothing I can do with it. I could actually do a lot with this, but it's irrelevant to me right now. But back to the points, to what we were getting at with, you know, the rest of what has been added. So I'm gonna go through and open up this project here. New transitions. We got, I'm gonna have to, where's that? There we go. I guess they won't let me go through it because I have them here already. But I'm gonna go through and show you the transitions real quick. So, you know, we still got the wipes and the dissolves and the cinematics. We got comics now. These are the new transitions right here. So I placed them all throughout the video already, so I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, we got a little festive there. So those are the transitions that, you know, the new ones that we got there. That's pretty cool. Anything else that is new, I think, hold on. I think there are new filters too. I think, I'm not sure. I don't remember seeing the sketch one. Let me see. Yeah, that's new. That's new for sure, because I would have known. Did I mess with that? Let's see. Filter setting. You can mess with that. Look at that. Okay. So yeah, we got a new filter there. Let's delete it. delete it, delete it. Alright, so we got a new filter. Is it just that one? Nope, we got halftone, we got sketch, and then we got, I think that's it. Yeah, just halftone and sketch. So we got 2 new filters, and then we also have I want to see if we have anything for the track 2. I'm not sure though. Let me see. Add track 2. That's me talking to you. But what could I do? That's a bar. Camera mode. I don't want to mess with that right now. I think that's it. Like, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, camera tuning. That looks new. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we got in store. So I'm gonna go through and hook up this tutorial for the transitions, the new texts, and then I'm gonna get in depth with the text animations and the duration of the text and how to do all that. And I'm also gonna go over the camera effects. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, version, the concept on how you do everything is still the same. So those tips and, you know, quick tips and everything that I give out in my previous videos for Sharefactory, they're still relevant because it's not too much different from this layout. You know, the layout did change and everything, but you know, you'll see what the difference is actually going back at those videos. So I'll catch you in the next one with the tutorial on how to do the text and all that. So yeah, one more thing, guys. The music changed. That's what changed. So you go through, you add your music. You can add your music, and you could just like, I don't know what this is on the side here. I'd have to mess with that. I'm guessing it's just the music volume, like, you know what I'm saying? It says high, mid, low. I don't know what that's about, honestly. Hold on, let me find out. Split music. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, look. The thing is, they switched it up. All right. So that's cool. You know what I'm saying? We got some more. I guess the music is more malleable. You know, you can move it around more. You could split it. You could cut it. You could trim it. You can clone it. I mean, I don't know. There's nothing too new here, really. It's just, I guess they just changed the little, you know, yeah, that's that.
Flexision.